Well, say a person who wants to learn to improvise on this framework, and they've heard the top flight pianist handle this thing, so they hear them play it, something like this, for instance, maybe. They're trying to do the thing in a way which is so general that they can't possibly build on that. If they build on that, they're building on top of confusion and vagueness, and they can't possibly progress.
I have to protect myself here.
Yeah.
Because you're hitting home.
Yeah.
This is my worst fault, is overplaying. But on the other hand, we have to overplay. The person that succeeds in anything has the realistic viewpoint at the beginning, and knowing that the problem is large and that he has to take it a step at a time, and he has to enjoy the step-by-step learning procedure. Like, say we take, maybe I'll use this song throughout as an example and treat it. It's better to do something simple, which is real, and it doesn't have to be, it can still be satisfactory.